If you're seeing PowerPoint error code 29, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get PowerPoint working again without guessing. This error is often caused by macros, missing VBA libraries, safe mode issues, or conflicting add-ins, and the good news is that each of those can be checked pretty quickly. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Let's start with the quickest fix, disabling macros. Open Microsoft PowerPoint first, then click File, go to Options, and open the Trust Center. From there, click Trust Center Settings. In the left menu, select Macro Settings. Here, choose Disable All Macros. This is important because macro-related issues can sometimes trigger strange PowerPoint errors, including error code 29. Once that's selected, click OK to save the change. After that, close PowerPoint completely and restart it. In many cases, just turning off macros can clear the problem right away. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is missing libraries in VBA. Press Alt and F11 on your keyboard to open the VBA editor. Once you're inside, click Tools at the top, then choose References. A References window will open and you want to look carefully for anything marked missing. If you see a missing reference, uncheck it if possible, or fix the file path if the library is pointing to something that no longer exists. Missing libraries can break VBA code and cause PowerPoint to throw errors unexpectedly. After making the change, close the editor and save your work. Then restart PowerPoint and test again. Now let's try opening PowerPoint in safe mode. This is a great way to figure out whether the issue is being caused by an add-in or a custom setting. Press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type PowerPoint/safe, then press Enter. PowerPoint should launch in safe mode with only the essential features loaded. Once it opens, try opening the file that was giving you trouble. If it works fine in safe mode, that usually means the issue is related to add-ins, startup behavior, or other custom settings rather than the file itself. If safe mode helps, the next fix is to disable PowerPoint add-ins. Open PowerPoint normally again, then click File, go to Options, and select Add-ins. At the bottom of the window, find the drop-down menu and choose COM Add-ins. Click Go. You'll now see a list of installed add-ins. Uncheck all of them for the moment, then click OK. After that, restart PowerPoint and test it again. Add-ins can sometimes conflict with PowerPoint and cause errors like this, especially if one of them is outdated or corrupted. If PowerPoint starts working again, you can re-enable the add-ins one by one to find the one causing the issue. To recap, the best way to fix PowerPoint error code 29 is to disable macros, check VBA references for missing libraries, test PowerPoint in safe mode, and then disable any conflicting add-ins. One of these steps usually solves the issue, and sometimes the first one is enough. If not, move through the list one by one and test after each change so you can identify the exact cause. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Microsoft Office troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.